that we use for our pre-K students, you can probably do for K through 2 if you would like, is this a rolling one that we're calling Hit the Cone. It's nothing really fancy, but the pre-K kids just seem to really like it. So things that we use is a smaller size foam coated ball, so it's about that softball size. So I think it's the 5-inch diameter one. And then cones. An optional, I use stickers to do everything in my class lately, and it's worked out really well. So the students were on the sideline, so we went just one direction because I didn't have a lot, but you can have the kids play both directions. My pre-K, we had them play by themselves. They can play with partners and take turns. So here's how we play. They stay on their dot on the side. Dot again, that's optional. And they're just going to roll the ball. And they got to get it to hit the cone. And if they hit the cone, they got a point or they got excited. So they're just going to roll the ball, hits the cone. They're going to go get their ball. And then they're going to go back. And then they're going to roll again. Of course, before we got them going, we also talked about those critical elements and everything what they needed to do in order to roll the ball. And they seem to really enjoy this one. I hope that yours do as well. I'm Coach Pirillo reminding you to keep on moving.